Okay, I put the O-rings back. One needed to be replaced because it was broken. One had a little piece of plastic between the teeth, so we removed that and we put it back. We like to put it in the certain order. So let's say if you see this little bubble right here, so all O-rings will be, matching this plastic part with that bubble. So this way I'm making sure that all O-rings will be pretty much the set for the transmission when it will come back. So make sure it's flash. So uh, it's got to be simply, flash like that. They're not supposed to be plastic popping up over this aluminum edge. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna assemble the planetary wheel number 3. So I'm gonna use the original washer. Then again, this is the downside, so we're gonna put it up. So then I'm gonna put those planetary wheels back where they belong to. That one is a little bit stiff, so that one is loose. That's good. I like that. And again, a little bit loose. I mean stiff. So that one is nice loose. Okay, I like it. So here we go. We have this is my right side, and here comes the left side. So I have those two parts. They go back together like that, and